Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family, I don't know. Today I'm going to talk about Handsome Devil. Let's go. In the number 10 spot, we have the school. I reckon if you want to understand a character, you have to understand their schools. This school was a huge school with bedrooms. There was also a rugby team, number 9, who was Ned. Ned was a young student sent to that school by his family. His original mother died several years ago. After the death of his original mother, his father decided to marry another woman called Natalie. He was also one of the main characters in this movie. Oh. There were also other lads who were homophobes and they did not really like Ned. Ned thinks that he is the only gay man in his high school, but this is not the case. Number 8, Connor Masters. Connor was a complex character in this movie. In this movie, we learned that he was sent to this school because in this previous school, high school, he was fighting all the time with other boys because some of those other boys found out about his sexuality. So he did not really like the idea of being probably the target of homophobe jokes. This was just a way of protecting himself against those people. Number 6, the first revelations. One day, when the rugby team was out of the school, Connor was in a gay bar. And Ned saw Connor in that bar. So, of course, before this moment, Ned thought that he was the only gay man in his high school. But there is another revelations. Let's go. Number 5, the second revelations. When Connor was in this bar, he saw his English teacher with another man. My God. Sherry was the name of the English teacher. So yeah, many revelations in this movie. There are many revelations in this movie, and yes, it's cool. Number 4, homophobia. In this movie, the boys, some of them were homophobes, and this was something that very shocked me. The coach of that team was a homophobe. The coach of that team was a fucking homophobe. Number 3, the coach. Number 3, the coach. I did not like the coach in this movie. This man thought that gay men were dangerous around kids. Oh my god. How can you even think like that in your head? Number 2. We have Sherry and his boyfriend. At the end of the movie, Sherry and his boyfriend were with the principal of that school. They were watching the rugby team. I just think that this was a good moment. In the number 1 spot, we have Connor and his father. So we learn that Connor's father was probably a man who loves drinking a lot. We learned that Connor and his father used to be on boats. And his father still have this boat. Connor's father was not even there when he entered in his new school. That's it for today's video. See you later. Bye.